everyone, Brinks here, RooTz, get the root of all gaming. We're back with Cluster Truck. And I'm pretty, I don't know, I'm kind of over this game now because that last level was no skill. And I think my controller's dead. Well, this is pretty. Wow. So just get ahead of the wave. Stay in the barrel. Woo! Woo, stay in the barrel! Wait, you can't stay in the barrel. Yeah, you can. You just gotta be fucking fast. Oh, shit. Mother flip. Woo! I beat like 5 more worlds. Do I have enough to buy points for the... What the fuck? It's like a laser dream catcher. Nah, cuz... No. This is where the game ends. That was pure luck. Can I buy abilities? I can buy abilities. How about... Wait, hold on. Portable truck. Makes game super epic, allows all points earned while in epic mode. Freezes all trucks. Air dash. No. I think I need time freeze. Where the flip did it go? Yes. How did I use time freeze? Ability. L. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay. I see. Wait, slows me down? Okay. Alright. This is mesmerizing. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. It's like I'm being reborn. Fuck. Come on. Come on, one last one. Damn. Totally thought that's where the game was gonna end. What is this? Jump over that laser. Aw, come on, I cleared that shit. I was doing awesome at it. Oh, I get it. The lasers are going on top of each other now. That wasn't too bad. Whoa. What the fuck? Damn, I cleared that. I don't know how that worked, but it did. Alright, you know, no. We'll finish the episode up. I'm over this game now. Okay, I see what I'm supposed to do there. So jump over this, and then let yourself fall. Okay. Damn. What the fuck was that? I didn't know if I could jump off the rocks or not. I guess. Okay, alright, I got an idea. Ah, shit. Alright, just let it go. Fuck. Ah, shit, shouldn't have jumped. Laws of gravity do not affect me until they fucking affect me. Alright, right there. Damn. Woohoo! Go, 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 go! Here we go. That's kind of cheating, use that time freeze in a way. And I could just do like this and power through half the fucking game. In a way, why wouldn't I? Because of that right there. Fuck. Go, go, go. Ah, man, I was clear of that. Everybody saw. I was fucking clear. Go. I was clear of that. Alright, go. Fuck. Damn. Ah, shit. Get over it. Fuck. Jump, double jump, fuck. I should've just let myself go. Shit. Let it go, you should just let it go! Fuck. Yeah, how about that shit? Superman! We're not gonna make that, we're not gonna make that, fuck. That wasn't bad though. I was able to jump off that thing. Let it go. Fuck. Ah, come on. You splooge socket. Alright. There it is. Jump over that. Ah, fuck. Ah, come the hell on, man. Ah, fuck. Yeah, how about that shit? How about that fucking shit right? Fuck. Alright, if I can beat this level, I'm gonna call it an episode. Fuck. This may be the episode that lasts forever. Yes, go. Go. Ah, that was it. I couldn't stick that fucking landing. Ah, that should have been way off. Ah, come on, dick cheese. Get over it. Fuck. Damn it. Right back to that one. Damn. Ah. Get over it, 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 get over it. What the fuck is this? I got stuck on it. Man, do you see that pole position? Get off that truck. Yes, fuck. Yes, fuck. I will beat this level, and that will be the end of this series on Retro RooTz. Fuck. That felt good. It just wasn't good. Make you feel good. Get over it. Shit, I don't know what to fucking do right there. There it is. I don't know what the fuck this is, but where are we at on time? Alright. I got about a few more tries I'm gonna give this, and then we are done. We are done with this cluster. Fuck. That's right, I've said it. Get up there. Get up there, you glorious fucking bastard. Or bastress. One more. One more good attempt. That's it. That's a wrap. Not that. Not getting taken out on the first thing. Yep. How about that? Alright. You know what? That's it. If y'all want to see it some more, give me a lot of views and likes and tell me in the comments. If not, I ain't playing that again unless I can. I may play it again if I can put Jonathan or Rainy through it, but outside of that, nope. Alright, brenticuss, RehTro. See you next time.